Hello friend, this is Kevinal Tech Entertainment Channel. In today's tutorial, I'd like to teach you how to how to remove forgotten password from Samsung Galaxy A05. First, I encourage you to subscribe for update. Again, I'm telling you that don't skip any step because all are useful. So let's get started.
3, 2, 1.
Here is when you are trying to type incorrect password several times. Remember, this method will erase all your personal data. And note that to turn off this device it can't be possible while it is locked. Please follow the fingers instruction. You hold on this power button and before you map this you see black sequence. I'm still telling you that for the fingers interaction. Here is when you are going to wait a few minutes or seconds. I started this video in silent mode. What you require is to follow the fingers into action, and you press where you press, and your password will be removed. You see, the password has been removed. So, thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, share, comment for your opinion. Thank you very much.